If you like coleslaw and you're a pickle lover, then I promise you're going to want to keep watching this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, if you're looking for a side dish or a topping to put on your sandwiches or burgers, then you are going to want to watch this video. So today I am making a tangy, refreshing pickle coleslaw. Yep, that's what I said. Tangy, refreshing pickle coleslaw. So let me quickly go over all the ingredients and then we'll put this together. And friends, I promise you it is a simple, easy, quick recipe to make. All right, my friends, so I have some sea salt, granulated garlic, half a sweet onion diced up nice and fine. I have 1 packet of Splenda. You can add sugar if you'd like, but I'm cutting out my sugar. You do not need to add this if you don't want to. I'm just adding it in there. A bag of coleslaw. It's the classic coleslaw mix. I just bought that instead of chopping everything up. I have a cup of dill pickles chopped up. I have some Duke's mayo. You can use any kind you want. I have some dill from my garden. 2 tablespoons of pickle juice, Dijon mustard, and in that vinegar bottle is some apple cider vinegar. So that is all the ingredients I'm going to be using. Now let's go ahead and get started. All right, my friends, I have my coleslaw in my bowl. So we're going to go ahead and add in a 1/4 cup of mayo. I'm not a huge fan of mayo, so I do cut back a little bit, but you can add a little bit more if you want. And now we're going to add in a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Okay. And then we're going to add in a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Let's get all that out. And then I have my 2 tablespoons of pickle juice. I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of some garlic salt, or granulated garlic, excuse me, and then a half a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of dill. That's 1, 2. Then we're going to put in our pickles. And our onion. And friends, I'll have the recipe typed out in the description box for you all. And friends, that's it. It's that simple. Now let's go ahead and give it a good mix. Now at this point you can add a little bit of sugar or Splenda. As you all know, I'm not eating sugar. I don't know if I want to add it or not. I'm kind of on the fence if I want to make it sweeter or not. I think we're going to let it go without the Splenda. And then once I do my taste test, I might add it in, just, you know, we'll see. So for now, I think I'm going to hold off on the Splenda and let this sit for a little while. And then do a taste test, because you can't take away once you add it in, but you can always add it in later. Look at that, friends. Woohoo! Isn't that great? Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead, cover this up, put it in the fridge for probably about 2-3 hours, and then we'll come back and do a taste test. Alright, my friends, I just took this out of the fridge. It's been in there for a few hours. And we're going to go ahead and do a quick little taste test. I'm thinking, do I want the Splenda in there? I don't think so. I don't think we need it. I really don't. Let me do one more taste. I'm going to be eating this with my hamburgers for dinner tonight. This may even go on top of my hamburger. I think it's going to go on top of my hamburger. Nobody in my house, I think, will eat this. I'm going to ask them all to try it, just out of curiosity. But I'm putting this on my hamburger. It is really good. You can make it sweet and I think it would taste just as good, but I like it just like this. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, I really hope you're enjoying National Pickle Month, and I will catch up with you next time. Bye.